high school students across the CSRA came to the Georgia Cancer Center at the Medical College of Georgia at Augusta University for the Summer Research Experience program. Mentors in cancer research taught them different skills. During the 4-week program, these students gained hands-on experience with lab equipment and other tools used in professional research projects.
Many of them are working in basic science laboratories. Some of them are working with databases and bioinformatics, and some are working in population health.
With the mentors' guidance, the students worked on specific studies, including the regulation of tumor growth and anti-tumor immune responses, or the regulation between food swamps and cancer incidence. The students were matched with their mentors using information they provided on their application. This allowed them to study research topics they are interested in and affected them in a personal way.
When I got this opportunity, I really wanted to pursue it, especially since somebody very close to me fell ill with leukemia, and sadly he passed away, but knowing that I get to be a part of something to help cure or prevent leukemia is really important to me.
They're getting the opportunity to see different things here at the university. They've been to the simulation lab where there are mannequins that medical students use to learn how to do things, procedures. They've been to the transgenic zebrafish facility. They're learning, and this is so important, how to communicate their science and what they're doing.
Participating in the program helped them learn how to do research, analyze data, use different tools, and be better prepared for the next steps in their education and career.
I know this program is going to benefit me because I learned how to do literature reviews and research in general, and I just know in the science field, no matter what your profession is, no matter what category you go in or major, you're going to need to know how to research.
Having this experience and going through these things will definitely help me prepare for what I'm going to be doing in my future.
The Cancer Center hopes to expand the program from 4 weeks to 6 weeks in future summers. High school students interested in applying for the Summer Scholar program will find the 2024 application and application details at augusta.edu/cancer/education. Applications for next summer are due by January 15th, 2024. The program is competitive, and the Georgia Cancer Center is looking for students from throughout the CSRA who not only meet the requirements, but also just enjoy science.